The free PayPal money method. Guys, in this video, I'm gonna give you one of the coolest methods ever if you want to make free PayPal money. Basically, the traffic sources used here are basically free, and they're so powerful and insane, it's crazy. If you've ever watched a video on how to make free PayPal money, you'll see these videos are so dumb and the methods inside of are so dumb. But in this video and this method will literally change your life. This is one of the most powerful methods ever. I really did not want to share this method, and I'm dead serious. Like, I did not want to share this method, but then again, I wanted to, give insane value to you guys. This is something I really don't want to share. This is a method I've done on the side for the last year. It's insane, okay? You're leveraging two of the most powerful things ever. You're leveraging PayPal, a huge money collecting system, and then you're leveraging the cheapest traffic in the entire world. So let's dive in. So here's the method. You're combining pop under traffic with the PayPal donate page. So basically, pop under traffic is every single click you're getting actually gets sent to your page. Any link you want to send people to. You don't need to make an ad or anything. And I'll explain the website to go to do this in a minute. So what pop under traffic is someone's browsing a website, and then when they click anything, sometimes it will redirect them to another page underneath their browser. That will be your link, and it's so powerful. Imagine there's a homeless man, and he's trying to collect money. He only has so many people he can get in front of, right? Imagine he could get in front of hundreds and thousands of people and millions of people. Imagine how powerful that would be for him. A percentage will always be willing to donate to you, especially if you're a homeless person who's in need, okay? Or just any person asking for money. People are very willing to give money to people who have a reason as to why they want the money. So here's proof of my earnings right here. This is a direct deposit straight from PayPal into my bank account, $51,000 and $207. That is just from PayPal with this specific method, just doing it one time. I've done it multiple times since then. I just want to show you guys just one time doing this. This is just like recently. Propeller ads is one of the biggest, most quality traffic sources when it comes to pop under traffic. They have so much traffic for you. It's ridiculous. For every country, their targeting's great. It's easy to set up a campaign and everything. Now, here's what the donation page looks like. Basically an example of it. So you've got your logo here. Then you could say, okay, donate to blank. And you could put your name here. You could put a charity here. I'll give you different ideas towards the end of the video. So stay tuned till the end of the video. And then you can give a reason why people should support this cause. And then people have an option here. They can pay $10, $20, $50. You can make it even lower. Or you can even, when they click other, they can put a custom amount. And they have the option to also do recurring. I actually have recurring freaking payments that are sent to me as well. Since I've sent so much traffic over time, I get recurring payments that are just donations to me. If you give a reason as to why you're asking for money, that really helps with conversions. And it can be the most honest reason ever. It's proven to increase people more likely to donate to you when you give a reason as to why you're asking for money. And then people press donate, and then they donate with their PayPal or even their credit card. And a lot of people trust PayPal, so they're also more likely to donate through PayPal because they trust it. Now let's get into a little mini tutorial of how to actually make the campaign over on Propeller Ads and crush it. So here is Propeller Ads, as you can see. So you can name the campaign whatever you want here, and then you click pop under. And then you could do push notifications and interstitial ads, but on click pop under, this is the one you want to do. Then you do pop under, then you do the CPM one. You don't want to do any of the others. Then you put your link right here, whatever your link is. You want it to be 1 impression per 24 hours. And then right here, you could leave it super broad, but you really want to get quality people. And so it's worth testing this, but I've already tested this, and lower quality usually is just pointless to have because it doesn't convert. And then whatever country you're in, okay? Whatever country you're in, go with it, okay? But United States is what I always go with, okay? And so here's how much it costs so far. And then you could set your budget to be $100, $1,000, doesn't matter. I'll put $1,000. And then your desktop, you want to do desktop. Desktop is good because people are sitting at their computer. They're not on their phone. They're more likely when they're sitting at a computer to be willing to donate to you. People like to give away money. It feels good, and so give them that opportunity. Now down here, you want to make sure it is distributed, not standard. Standard will spend the budget super fast. You want it to be distributed throughout the day. And you don't want to have it start too early in the day. You want it to start around morning time, whatever country you're running with. So if it's United States, you want it to start somewhere around 7 or 9 o'clock in the morning and run throughout the rest of the day, okay? You don't want to have it start too early, okay? Because that'll just waste your money. Honestly, I've tested every single scenario here. All right, and then you just click publish and it'll start running the campaign within like 10 minutes. Now, what were the secrets to the success here, okay? Pop under traffic is basically free. The cost per 1,000 people actually going to your link is around $4 right here, for example. That's crazy. $4 per 1,000 people. On Facebook, it's basically like $30 to $50, sometimes $100 per 1,000 people who click. And so that's insane. You're literally getting it for $4. That's ridiculous. You know, you can get tons of people to see your page and have an opportunity to donate to you. You can do this with affiliate marketing as well. You could just promote affiliate offers and crush it as well. Content marketing is also 100% free traffic. I didn't do content marketing for these results, but I can totally do that with my Cash Cow YouTube channel. I have a huge audience there. I can do it with my email list, huge email list, hundreds of thousands of emails. I can just email blast to my list and just get tons of people to freaking donate to me. It's crazy. Here's the other thing. You can leverage trends that are happening. Like, you know, the trends that happen where maybe hurricane happened or some horrible disaster. You can kind of leverage that if you want to. You can leverage horrible illnesses. You can leverage charities. You can help people. You can say you're helping people. Or you can just ask for money just yourself. Just say, hey, I need money. This is the reason why. Maybe you're trying to start a business. Maybe you're trying to make money online. Maybe you're trying to do anything, whatever it may be. I'm sure there's something you want to buy or get, and just be honest with it. I think this one right here is the best one. If you want to do something more iffy, then do these ones, okay? I don't do these ones, but I do this one right here. Just asking for money and giving a reason as to why you're asking for the money, okay? I tested multiple donation pages, mainly what I say on the pages. So my name, the image, a reason as to why. This is the biggest key for sure, is the reason as to why you're asking for the money. If you do a landing page or a website right before you send people to the donate button, or you have a video where you explain your story and why you want money, and then you have a button that links to your PayPal donation page and people donate there, that's really effective. And then targeting until you're successful. And the targeting can be tested a lot, but I told you exactly what you need to target to get the exact people who will give you money. But you need to make sure that your page is convincing enough where people want to and are willing to give you money. Now here are the results. $5,000 in ad spend and a profit of $41,000. That's insane. And it took me less than 30 minutes, okay, to test everything, set everything up. And making the campaign takes less than like 3 minutes. Check out all my programs down below. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out, learning machines. Peace.